Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're taking a close look at Chiang Mai, Thailand. A city that's really full of surprises, kind of showing these fascinating contrasts.
Yeah.
Imagine this globally celebrated destination, really popular, but at the exact same time, it's bracing for floods and dealing with some, well, pretty surprising local stuff.
That is, yeah.
That's what we're digging into today.
It's a really dynamic snapshot, isn't it? We've pulled together insights from quite a few places, Chiang Mai City Life, Nation Thailand, the Bangkok Post, even Travel Plus Leisure.
Good mix then.
Definitely. And our goal really is to sort of cut through the noise, give you a clear picture of what's actually happening on the ground there as of today, July 17th, 2025, and try to connect these dots that might seem separate.
Right. Makes sense of it all. Okay, so let's start with maybe the most immediate thing, the weather and the water situation. What's the latest there?
Well, the most significant thing right now is how that Chiang Mai municipality is actively tackling flood defenses. They're really working on it.
Proactive steps.
Exactly. Authorities are reinforcing flood levees, getting sandbags out, deploying water pumps, especially along the Ping River right there in Chiang Mai, the main city district.
Huh?
The water level, last check, was 2.19 meters, but the real worry is it's expected to jump to 3.85 meters by late this afternoon.
Whoa, 3.85. That sounds high. What's like the critical level?
Yeah, flood stage for the Ping is usually around 3 meters. So, 3.85 means they're looking at a real possibility of pretty significant flooding in parts of the city. It shows how fast things are changing and how seriously they're taking it.
Wow, yeah, that's a huge jump in just hours.
Yeah.
Really underlines the urgency. So a direct threat to the city center, potentially. But is this flooding, is it just in Chiang Mai, or is it wider?
It's wider, definitely. While the main urban area, Chiang Mai, is bracing for the river rise, there's actually ongoing flooding already happening in some of the more northern districts.
Wow.
Places like Changdao and Doi Sakit, they've been hit hard by heavy rain since Tuesday. So yeah, there are active warnings out for those areas too, flash floods, mudslides, that kind of thing. It's a regional issue, not just confined to the city itself.
That is a lot to deal with all at once. And the general weather for the city today, is it letting up at all?
Not really, unfortunately. Chiang Mai City Life is reporting overcast skies right now. They're expecting intermittent light rain to continue through the evening. Temperatures around 31 Celsius.
So still damp, still contributing to the problem.
Pretty much, yeah. The conditions making things difficult are sticking around for now.
It certainly paints a picture, doesn't it? A city really grappling with these big environmental pressures. And maybe, it's that resilience dealing with nature that also helps them manage the everyday urban stuff. What else has been happening locally?
Well, there are a couple of other things that sort of give you a feel for the city's pulse. One was a fire incident at Nakornping Hospital.
Oh, really? Anything serious?
It was in the server room of their computer center on Chotana Road. But the good news is they got patients and staff evacuated safely and quickly. No injuries reported, which is, the main thing.
That is a relief. Shows good procedures, I guess.
Seems like it, yeah. Effective emergency response.
Okay. Anything else on the local front?
There was also a more unusual story. Involved a karaoke bar.
Oh, do tell.
Yeah, 9 employees were arrested. They were charged after this incident went kind of viral, apparently. They allegedly assaulted a British tourist.
Assaulted? What, over?
It was a dispute over the bill, apparently. Pretty big one. 20,000 baht?
20,000. Wow, what's that in, like dollars or pounds?
Roughly 550 US dollars. Maybe 430 British pounds, something like that. Yeah, quite a tab for karaoke night.
Definitely.
It certainly got people talking locally about, tourist interactions, business practices, that sort of thing.
Yeah, I can imagine. It just shows the range, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hospital fires 1 minute, karaoke disputes the next. Just city life.
Exactly. All part of the daily rhythm.
And yet, and this is where it gets really interesting, despite all this, the floods, the local incidents, Chiang Mai just got this massive international thumbs up. Tell us about that.
Yeah, this is quite the contrast, isn't it? Travel Plus Leisure, the big travel magazine, just named Chiang Mai as Asia's best city for travelers.
Wow, best in Asia.
Best in Asia for 2025, yeah. They give it a really high score, 91.94. It's a huge deal, and obviously officials and everyone in the tourism industry there are pretty thrilled.
I bet. That's fantastic recognition. So what does this mean for them, practically speaking, for their tourism strategy? Is it just about getting more people in, or is there like a bigger plan?
That's a really good question. And from what we're hearing from local tourism experts, they see this as a real opportunity, not just for more tourists, but specifically to shine a light on sustainable cultural tourism.
Ah, okay. So quality over just quantity.
Exactly. Focusing on the unique heritage,
Good.
promoting responsible travel, especially across the whole northern region, not just the city center. It's a chance to kind of shape the growth in a positive way.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
And are they actually seeing more visitors now? Is this award translating into numbers yet?
It seems like it. We looked at data from Agoda, the big online travel site in Asia. Their figures for the first half of 2025 show a definite climb in overseas travelers heading to Thailand. And specifically, visitors from key places like China, Malaysia, South Korea are up.
And Chiang Mai is benefiting from that.
Directly, yeah. Destinations like Chiang Mai are seeing that uptick, so it really underscores this growing appeal, and the economic impact is real. It's not just, a nice award plaque.
Right, it's backed by actual tourist momentum.
Ah.
That's quite something. Now, you also flagged a piece of national news, something about high-speed rail.
Mm-hmm.
How does that fit into the Chiang Mai picture?
Right. Yeah, it's not directly about Chiang Mai right now, but it's relevant context, I think.
Uh,
The national news confirmed that bidding for the Bangkok to Nong Khai high-speed rail line is set to begin in 2026.
okay, Bangkok Nong Khai. So that's going northeast, not north towards Chiang Mai.
Correct. It doesn't connect directly to Chiang Mai, but the thinking is this is part of a bigger national vision for high-speed rail. Industry watchers are saying, once projects like this get going, it makes future lines, maybe an extension, maybe a whole new line heading north to hubs like Chiang Mai, much more plausible down the road.
Ah, okay. So it signals a broader commitment to upgrading the whole country's transport network.
Precisely. It's about creating a more modern system overall. And long term, that kind of investment in national infrastructure, better connectivity, faster travel, that would inevitably benefit a major regional center like Chiang Mai. It makes it easier to get there, easier to move goods.
Gotcha. So even seemingly distant national projects have potential future implications for the city's accessibility, and I suppose its continued growth and appeal as another layer.
Yeah, exactly. It hints at a future where Chiang Mai could be even better connected, bolstering its position both nationally and internationally.
What an incredible deep dive this has been. Chiang Mai really is a city of these striking contrasts, isn't it? You've got them reinforcing flood defenses, dealing with hospital fires and karaoke brawls, and at the same time being crowned Asia's best city for travelers, seeing tourism boom. It's quite the mix. Hopefully, you now have a much clearer sense of both the immediate challenges and that enduring appeal.
It's truly fascinating, I think, to see it all happening at once. How a city manages these really pressing environmental issues, handles the everyday weirdness of urban life, but still shines on this global stage for its culture and charm. It really says something about the place and the people there, their resilience.
It really does. And it leaves us with a big question, maybe something for you, the listener, to think about. Given where Chiang Mai is right now, this balancing act between, rapid growth and global fame on one hand, and its vulnerability to nature, the need to protect its unique culture on the other, what do you think are the biggest challenges and maybe the biggest opportunities facing the city as it tries to shape its identity moving forward?